We're harvesting potatoes again, and somebody said in the last video that it was pointless, so I'm just going to prove to them that it's not pointless. Look at the size of those potatoes. It's crazy. That right there, all of those potatoes is from one bucket. I'm going to harvest a total of 4 buckets. Well, there we go. Out of 4 35-litre buckets, I have 2 different varieties here. This was all grown in 1 bucket. This was grown in 3. This variety here is Sapo Mira, and this variety here is Java potatoes, so Java. Let me know if you think it is worth it.